In this course, we will see in detail the danger that the VTP protocol can represent in full prod, because a switch in client VTP mode can take over a switch in server VTP mode if it only has a higher revision number. To see this in detail, we'll use the same topology, but this time only the switch A will be in server VTP mode. The B and C are in customer mode. The VTP domain is called formation. We create 3 VLAN on switch A, and we add a port on switch A in the printer VLAN. If you run a show VTP status on all switches, you will notice that they all have a revision number in 4. A show VLAN shows us that all switches have synchronized well with the switch A. We also see that the port FAO/1 of switch A is well part of the VLAN 10. We're going to cut the 2 interfaces of switch C to get it out of the prod and do temporary tests on it. We're going to put it in server mode, add VLANs to do tests, and once we've played with them, we're going to remove all of these VLANs. Then we put it back into prod in client mode, thinking that it will make its VLANs switch A, which is in server mode. We notice that with the manips we made, the revision number has now moved to 11. We just must go up the interfaces to put the switch C back, prod. And there, it's a bit of a drama. We realize that switches A and B have the same revision number as the switch C, because they synchronized with it. A show VLAN shows us that all our VLANs are gone, and our interface that was in the VLAN printer is no longer part of any VLAN, because it was removed. It's not even part of the default VLAN. That's why, before putting any switch in prod, you have to check the revision number, so as not to cause a big problem with the prod. To reset the revision number, there are 2 possibilities. Either change the name of the VTP domain, or delete the VLAN.dat file from the flash memory. Either one of these 2 changes has the effect of resetting the revision number. To avoid this kind of incident, it is advisable to use the transparent VTP mode instead and create the VLANs locally.